Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear shocks Toyota Tacoma, updated. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and chalking the front wheels. Loosen rear lug nuts before lifting the truck. Use a rated jack and jack stands to secure the vehicle, then remove the wheel. Keep each bolt and spacer organized so reassembly is straightforward and fast, and test components for wear before installing new shocks. In this video, I will show how to replace rear shocks Toyota Tacoma, updated. With the axle supported, back out the lower shock bolt using a breaker bar if needed. Remove the upper mount bolts and slide the shock down and out, keeping an eye on spacers and bushings. Clean the mounting surfaces and compare old and new shock lengths and mounts before proceeding so installation is correct and trouble-free. In this video, I will show how to replace rear shocks Toyota Tacoma, updated. Quick recommendation: if you like reading repair guides on the go, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for bright screens and long battery life. It fits in a toolbox or glove box and lets you pull up manuals quickly between jobs. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace rear shocks Toyota Tacoma, updated. Position the new shock and hand thread upper bolts, then align the lower mount and insert the bolt. Tighten all fasteners snugly, then lower the axle to the vehicle's normal ride height and torque bolts to the manufacturer's spec. Reinstall the wheel and torque lug nuts properly. Finally, test drive gently to confirm proper function and check for noises or leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.